new ATV finally came in. Anybody got any damages on it? As far as I can see. I'm gonna start uncrating this thing. Some big old tires. Oh, I got everything kind of unwrapped. Don't see any kind of damage anywhere. £2,000 winch. Check it out. Well, I got a ways to go. I don't know if I can get this all together tonight. I just want to get it uncrated so I can check it out. I'm gonna get the wheels put on, and at least I can get it off the pallet. If I need to undo a few things before I can even lift it up. Hit the lugs. A remote for the winch. Not sure what this is for. Figure it out. Even got a tire pressure gauge. I think these are brush guards and seat mount, backrest for the rear passenger. Even got some Bluetooth speakers. Yeah, so it got dark on me, but I did get it all together. Hadn't put the Bluetooth speakers on it. I've got some reflectors, but I can't really see them doing out here. It's kind of dark. But she fired right up.